Hello everyone, it's Dale here with new Trade of the Week video. In this video I would like to talk about a trade which I took last week on the British pound. And I must say that last week was a very good week for me. But I took a one loser on the British pound, and in this video I like to talk about this losing trade, and because I think that there's a lot to learn from this one. So let's check it out. What you see before you, this is NinjaTrader platform with my custom-made volume profile and view up indicators. This is a 30-minute chart of the British pound, and the level that I was trading here was this one, this blue line. So this level was a long, and it was based on heavy volumes, those heavy volumes which were traded here before this strong buying activity. But it was not just the volumes in here. If you move the profile like this, the flexible profile, if you move it like this, then you can see that there were actually massive volumes traded in this whole area, and from there strong buying activity started. So my original analysis was like there were strong buyers in here accumulating their long positions, and then they pushed the price upwards. So I thought that those buyers would defend this level and push the price upwards from there again. Right, so I was waiting for the pullback and went long from there, and I think that it was a solid level to trade from. But what the price did was it just went past the level with no reaction at all, and in just a couple of moments I took a stop loss. There was no reaction at all, and that was it. My stop was right here. It was 11 pips. I placed that stop loss in here because I wanted the stop to be behind the heavy volume zone. That's how I placed my stop losses. So this was the stop loss, and as you can see, the price immediately went here and hit that stop loss. Now if it ended like this, there wouldn't really be any fun in this, right? So what I want to show you here, and this is the interesting part, because what I wanted to show you is something which I call reversal trade. Reversal trade is when you take a losing trade, like in here, the price just goes past your level with no reaction at all, and then you wait for the pullback to the same level and enter a reversal position. So originally I went long from here, took a stop loss, and then there was pullback to the same level, and from here I went short. This was the reversal trade, right? So first there was this loss, but then reversal trade was a winner. Actually, I made more on the reversal trade than I lost on that loss. So in the end, I was actually in profit after this. One important rule about the reversal trade is that the price really needs to shoot past your level, for example, volume profile level, like my level, with no reaction at all, right? If it goes past the level with no reaction at all, then it's ideal candidate for a reversal trade, right? I mean, like, if you look at it, this was a very strong level to trade from, right? Heavy volumes, and significant volume like this should have at least some reaction. If it doesn't, then this is telling you that sellers are dominating and that buyers completely lost control, right? So sellers are dominating. Sellers pushed the price through a strong level, but very often what happens is that you get the chance to jump back in at the pullback. So very often the price goes back to the level, giving you the chance to enter the reversal and take another trade. Right, so this is how I trade reversals. Let me show you this on 1 minute chart because it's not that easily visible on the 30-minute chart. So this chart is the 1 minute chart. This blue line, this is where my long level was. The price went past it, no reaction at all. I took a stop, and then the price went back to that level again, and this was where I entered the short. So this is the reversal, and I took my profit in here at the beginning of this heavy volume zone with the reversal. This was my take profit, and I like to take my profits at the beginning of some kind of barrier, ideally volume profile barrier. In here on the minute chart there was this heavy volume zone, so That's why I quit the trade in here. It was around 13 pips profit. Originally on this long, I lost, I think it was 11, and then I gained 13. So in the end, all this ended up with positive result. All right, so that's the reversal trade. When the price shoots past your level with no reaction at all, then it's the ideal opportunity to wait for the pullback to the same level and enter an opposite trade or a reversal trade. Alright, so that's about it, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you want to join us, trade with me every day, get your hands on my custom-made indicators like volume profile, VWAP or order flow, head over to my website. It is traderdale.com. If you click trading course and tools, then in here you can browse my trading education and custom-made trading tools. You can get them in those 4 separate packs, or scroll down a bit and get all 4 packs together in one discounted bundle. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Until then, happy trading.